Hi, 1 Hour Smart Home here, and today we're going to show you how to factory reset your Ecobee Smart Camera. In order to do this, you want to make sure that it is powered up and that it is running. So we're going to plug it in. We've got it plugged in now, and we're going to give it about 20 to 30 seconds to go through all its status modes and get to its final level of either connected or searching for a Wi-Fi network. So let's give it about 20 or 30 seconds. We've given our Ecobee camera enough time to try and set up. Now, sometimes it'll be connected, sometimes it won't. It really doesn't matter. You just want to make sure that you give it that time. Now, in order to reset this, there's two buttons on the top that are built into the top of this that don't look like buttons at all, but just have some little logos here. Over here is the mute button, and here is the voice assistant or action button. We're going to hold both these down for approximately 5 seconds, and then it's going to start speaking to us. In order to make a selection, we will then tap on these buttons while we're resetting it, and it will give us options for reset. But you need to let it go through that menu of options once you get it in reset mode. So I'm going to hold both these down for 5 seconds, and then it will start talking to us. 1, 2, 3, 4,
Welcome to the
5.
device menu. To select an option, press the voice assistant button. To exit, press the mute button. Please select one of the following options. Forget Wi-Fi network.
I'm going to keep going.
Reset home kit.
I'm going to keep going.
Test device connection.
I'm going to keep going.
Reset to factory settings.
Now press the button.
Resetting device to factory settings.
Now it's factory resetting. Now, once the lights are solid amber, it means that it's been reset to factory default settings. Sometimes it can take 10 seconds, 20 seconds, or even up to a minute. For us, it took about 10 or 20 seconds. Once you've got it in that setup mode, you are ready to get it set back up on the Ecobee app. So I've got the Ecobee app right here, and I do have solid glowing amber lights, which means that I can click good to go. Now we need to select our device, which is the Ecobee Smart Camera right here. Then I can click continue with Ecobee, and it's going to let it join our Wi-Fi network. Now I'm going to click OK. Now we need to enter our Wi-Fi network and credentials. We click join. It's verifying our camera. This may take up to 5 minutes. This is the next screen that popped up once it verified our camera. We're going to use it as a security camera, so we click here. Then we can give it a name. It says, will your camera be pointed out a window? It will not. Yes, send me notifications. We're going to click allow. Update required. Let's begin the update. All systems go. Show me my camera. We're going to click OK, and you can see me there on the camera. So now it's all set up. So thank you for watching this video on how to factory reset your Ecobee Smart Camera. If you've got any questions or comments, put those below, or you can watch one of our other videos on Ecobee cameras. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.